Summer is a season of brightness, movement, and warmth. It's a time when energy rises, passions bloom, and everything feels a little louder. But too much heat can leave us burned out, overstimulated, restless, or even scattered. This short meditation is here to help you balance the heat, reconnect with your body, and restore your inner core. Find a quiet space, sit or lie down comfortably. Let your breath settle and begin to turn inward. Breathe in deeply through your nose and exhale through your mouth with a sigh. Again, inhale, drawing in cool, calm air. Exhale, letting go of tension, heat, or urgency. Breathe like this 3 more times. Feel your whole body begin to settle. Now imagine yourself sitting on warm earth, under the shade of a tree, a tall leafy tree. Sunlight filters through the leaves, dancing gently, not glaring. Beneath you, the earth is cool and steady. You can feel its weight, its patience, its calm. With every exhale, let your body sink just a little deeper into this support. You are grounded, you are held. Now imagine a gentle stream flowing nearby, clear, smooth, and refreshing. With your next breath in, imagine drawing in the coolness of water. Let it rinse through your feet, legs, belly, chest, cooling and calming your inner landscape. Any excess heat, tension, or frustration, let it melt away like ice in a stream. Now you step away from the stream and follow a gentle path upward. From there, the trees welcome you to the end of the road, and above you, you find a wide night sky filled with stars. The air is cool, the earth steady beneath your feet. The stars shimmer softly as if they are breathing with you. Take a final deep breath, letting this vast, calm light settle into every part of you. When you are ready, return to your day or your dreams, carrying this peace with